Give me the best of the band. Give me the best of the band. Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Glam.Nefercent here, back at it again with the big idiot again. Ooh. Alright, so I'm pretty sure y'all saw this look a few times, but that's because your girl has been gone. But anyway, your girl has been gone, and I usually record in bulk anyway, so I never just record one video. I always record more than one. So okay guys, as you guys can tell by the title, okay, this video is a review and unboxing on the brand new Blackwood bags. Now, before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, tap that button to be notified when your girl uploads. If you are a person who likes purses and stuff like that, I do have other videos as well. I have perfume videos, I have clothing videos, sex toy videos, girl. You could get everything on my channel. Stop. So I'm from New York, so I was like, you know, I have to support, and I'm also lesbian, and I was like, you know, I have to support a black owned especially gay man company, and he's from New York. Like, Gatorade sponsor me. You know, I'm like, I had to support him. Like, why not? I like his bags. My best friend actually purchased some bags from him, so I said, you know what, let me go ahead and purchase some bags. Okay guys, now it is now August 23rd. okay, I purchased these bags in May, and I just got my bags. I'm gonna give you guys a timeline. I haven't worn my bags yet because I was actually waiting to review these purses, but I ended up getting sick with COVID, so I didn't have time to do any of that. Like, I was in here dying. Like, if you guys want to hear about that, I have it in a story time. You guys go hear about that. It should be down below, maybe, or after this video. So I purchased the bag May 10th. Okay, I bought two bags. The bags were $335. And usually I never spend that much on purses or bags. I usually get them as gifts, but I never spend, even if I go buy a bag, I may spend the most on a purse, $60, maybe $70, but I never spend that much on a purse or a bag. Never. Like, I don't have any name brands, like crazy name brands. Now, I was aware that, you know, I did order these bags on pre-order, so I knew that it was gonna take some time to come. And he does, when you buy the bag, before you buy the bag, he does have a note there saying that the bags will take, you know, like say you order it in May 10th, it will say the bag will ship out the end of June. That's what it said. So when it said that, I was like, okay, great, it's gonna be here at the end of June, which means I could have my bag for my Jamaica trip. Y'all, it did not come for my Jamaica trip. I was a little sad about it, but I was like, hey, it's okay. I ended up buying other little bags for Jamaica, so I didn't really care. So my box came July 29th with both bags in it. The end of June, it ended up getting here the end of July. Now, I was not happy about that. I wasn't. I'm not even gonna hold you. I was not happy. My box came in this big box here with both bags. I do like is that his bags come in these nice little shoe boxes, so I think that's super cute. Just white boxes. I do see some makeup stains or some handprint stains. I don't think that's for me. Maybe it is. I'm not gonna say it's not, but yeah. But I haven't touched these boxes with any makeup. So yeah, they do have some stains on them, like little handprints. So honestly, if I was him, I know like the white look looks good, but I probably would do the boxes black and the inside, like the outside black, so that it doesn't look dirty. It doesn't have any handprints. That ain't hot. Okay. So I do have a card from him. like people were stepping all over them or something, because the box, the envelope also looks dirty. So it says, thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new juice. And can't wait to see how you style it. Love, Brandon Blackwood. Now this is very cute. I like how he writes. It's very, very cute. And yeah, I'm at the style this thing popping. Okay, so what I like is that the box, I like that the box is a white box with black in the inside. That looks so dope. I wish the whole box was just all black. The outside of the box was all black like this. This is so dope. So yeah, it's all black and it has Brandon Blackwood, New York in it. That's so cute. The bags do come inside of a nice little, like, what is this, a linen bag. I like that. You know, you could just store it in there. Now hold on. Y'all, who had to be stuck? Wait, hold on, cause who about to be stuck in on her? Oh shit, damn it. I thought a bitch who don't have a Brandon Blackwood bag says something. Cause if you don't have a Brandon Blackwood bag, baby, shut the fuck up. But yeah, guys, I wanted to treat myself because I really don't have any name brand bags. And the older I got, I never really, like when I was younger, I never really cared about what bag I had, as long as it was cute and didn't look cheap. But now, it's like I'm getting older and more bougier, and Glam.Nefercent is just taking over. I said I needed the bag, so I had to get her, honey. Let me get her description together, because so I got the Q bag, and this is the description says it has vegan leather, and I got it in the color metallic green, and it doesn't have the price, but yeah, I believe these bags were like $150. But look at how cute. Look at how cute this bag is. Now, I ain't gonna front, I thought it was bigger, and I like that it has the Brandon Blackwood in it. And this is just a cute bag. Like, I could fit my I can fit my phone in. Oh, I thought he put money in here, honey. I was about to be like, Brandon, you put money in here for me? But yeah, woo, yo, I will wear this as a motherfucking belt. He lucky my big ass. Let me see. Oh, he lucky. Cause if this shit could fit around my waist, it would have been a belt. You got it. In New York, we improvise, okay? We improvise. We use anything for a belt, okay? Say I'm lying. I ain't lying. I wanted it was one of them bags. Oh, it was a bamboo earring bag. Yeah, it was a black bag with a bamboo earring. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna leave a picture. Black bag with the bamboo earring. And I was like, oh my God, like this bag is fire. Like I need that bag. But I didn't want to pay all of that money for it. So I said, I'm either gonna wait or I'm gonna get that bag for a gift. You know, put that on my Christmas list or something. I do have, the bag did come with straps. It is adjustable. Okay, let's see what's going on with this, because why is this falling down like that? I wish it was a little tighter so that it is, because I feel like once you walk in, it's gonna fall down. But I really like the bag. I love the color. It looks exactly how it looks online. It looks pretty good. Okay, this is my favorite. Like I've always wanted a bag this color. I love metallic colors. So now I know he had a problem with customs or something like that, but like the weight for his bags I really don't like. But I think he did say that he was going to stop doing pre-order because it caused so much drama. And you can open this, but I'm probably not going to open that because that's not going to look like neat to me. But I definitely love this bag. Y'all gonna see this bag next week when I go out. So I'm gonna be like, I need my seat like now. I want to sit down like now. Like, what am I waiting for? Like, you know, so I'm gonna be like, hello, like, it's the burst for me. But see, man, I put the straps on just so you guys can see. But I'm probably most likely not gonna wear straps with. I mean, I will wear straps with it, but not right now. Like, maybe after all the hype is gone or something, but like how the girls is wearing it, it's not with the straps, honey. It did come in this. Now this one is so, y'all don't understand. I was not happy with how heavy this one is. This one also comes with the card and the linen bag. Y'all, my back is hurting and I'm just confused like as to why this bag is so heavy. Like, but all the bags come with the Brandon Blackwood paper with his name on it and stuff. Okay, and I did get the black trunk. I'm confused as to why it's so heavy. Like, I mean, I get that it's a trunk. You know, when you think of trunk, you think of like Pirates of the Caribbean, like treasure hunt trunk, but nah, trunk bag that I got from him. This thing is so heavy, it's not even funny, but it's cute. I like it. So I got the black, being that I couldn't get the other black bag because I'm like, I need more black purses. It was a black bag and it had, you know, the bamboo, gold bamboo around the sides. So sexy. But instead I got this instead. But yeah, this is the Kendrick trunk and the premium hand dyed denim with gold hardware. It's the bag. And I like the bag. I like how hefty and good the handles are. So I like the fact that I can fit my whole big hand on this bag like this. So the bag is super cute. I'll say that. I like that it's denim because I love denim. Anything denim. Now, what we talking? So when I open the bag, okay, so it's denim, black denim with, but it's kind of giving like an indigo. It's giving like an indigo. But excuse me. Hold on. Like, it's like you close, open. What the fuck? I'm not trying to be negative, y'all. I didn't know that the bag opens like this. Like, I have a big ass hand. Like, trying to get me drunk, like, hold on, let me get my, well, I'll never be that drunk, but this thing is like, it only opens like this. So it's like, basically, don't put no change in there or nothing like that. But yeah, it does come with this bag. However, I wish that it opened, like, I wish this whole part opened. No, then that would be dumb. But I get why, but I just wish it opened just a little bit more. Just a little bit more, like, just a little bit. But it does, I would say you could fit, like, a phone in there. You could fit a lot of stuff in here, more than the other bag. But this bag is very extremely heavy. I don't like that. I don't like it at all. I don't like that it's heavy like that. I don't. And then I can't even open it fully. Like, I don't like that. So that'll probably be the last trunk bag that I buy from Brandon Blackwood, because this is extremely heavy. It's like it's mad heavy. Like, it's extremely heavy. But these are my two bags from Brandon Blackwood. I love them both. This one is like perfect to me. This one has some flaws to me, but I definitely love them both, and I am happy I bought them. So I would say if you guys are going to buy, definitely make sure it's not a pre-order bag, and make sure you look at the fine print to see when it's going to ship out to you. And just know that, you know, don't buy it thinking you're going to get it next week. Like, always keep in mind that things take time and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm not here to bash anyone. I know he's been getting a lot of negative, you know, feedback, but I'm not one of those girls. I personally was waiting for my bag patiently. I was a little annoyed when it didn't come to June and it came instead like a whole month after it said it was coming. But I wasn't going nowhere anyway. Your girl was sick. But really loving the bags. And yeah, y'all, so you guys definitely stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram so you guys can see how I style my bags and shit like that, or whatever. Okay, so I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to love yourself first. keep it glamming. GlamNefercent signing out. Love you guys. Bye.